Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy. I just wanted to do a quick video real quick about something that I had seen on YouTube from a couple people, and I wanted to go pick it up because it's kind of cool. So this is the Walmart's Favorite Skin Care Box, and this is $9.88, valued at over $53. So there are like 4 or 5 of these that you could have got. There's like the eyes one, and I don't know, there's a bunch of different ones, but I picked the skin one because it is winter time, and you know, we all need some skincare stuff. So and the products in it look the most good for me than the other products. And so I just wanted to make a quick video on showing what was in this box. So that's what it looks like when you open it up, and that's the products. It's kind of cool. The Everything Skin Kit, radiate confidence with our new favorite skincare solutions to refine, renew, and refresh. And on the back, it tells you everything about it. It does not give you, oh no, it doesn't. Yes, it does. It just tells you how to use it. Does not tell you a price. But let's go ahead and see what's in here. Let's go through it. So, oh, things are falling out. So, oh, I can't even show you because everything's falling out. So, there it is, all out of its package. All right, so the first 2 things that are falling out, I'm going to tell you what they are. So the Neutrogena wipes, I use these. I know you're supposed to wash your face and use a makeup remover, but this is my go-to. I use these so much. So this is awesome for this to be in here. There are 7 pre-moistened towelettes, so maybe this will be my on-the-go, because I always have a thing of these, always, and a backup. So, perfect. All right, so this is, I've never heard of this, but it's CeraVe, if I'm pronouncing that right. And it is a moisturizer. Let's see if it says anything on there. All right, it just says apply liberally as often as needed or directed by a physician. It's just a moisturizing cream. MVE delivery technology. I don't know what that means. Maybe I'll have to do some research on this, because I have no idea what that means. All right, so let's just see how it feels. Just a regular lotion. And Gobazoon, nice and smooth. Doesn't feel tacky. Doesn't really have a smell. Just a regular lotion smell. Alright, so the next 2 things are a Elf Hydrating Bubble Mask, which I have not tried this yet, and I'm tempted to do it, so I'm glad that's in it. And it's another reason why I got this box, because there's a lot of things in here that I wanted to try, but have not went out and bought it yet. And this says, apply a thin layer over slightly damp skin and bubbles will form. When bubbles begin to dissipate, 5 to 10 minutes, massage with fingertips and wash with warm water to remove. Pat dry and follow with Elf Daily Moisturizer. So that's cool. I think they're like $6 or something, or close to that. All right, and this is Found, never heard of it, Fruit AHA Peel Pads. Gently exfoliates to even skin tone and reduce the look of pores. So that's cool. Apply to skin after cleansing to exfoliate and minimize the appearance of pores. All right, so I just read that on the back. All right, so the next thing is, if it wants to come out, if it wants to come out of the thing, is a Physicians Formula product. And I love Physicians Formula products. They're really nice, and they've upped their game a lot. This is Rosé All Day Oil-Free Serum. So, oh, it's got a little glass dropper. And that's what it looks like. Oh, it smells good. I don't know if I smell a rose smell, but there's definitely a floral fragrance. It smells like, yeah, when you rub it in, it does smell like a rose. So that's good. Definitely going to give that a try. Does not say. Just says all day oil-free serum. So good product. All right. And next we have a couple more things. Cetaphil moisturizing lotion. So we all know what that is, but that's a pretty decent size. Again, this was $9.88. And most of us know what this is, and this is Clean and Clear, and that is a facial scrub, which everybody pretty much, we used that when we were younger, I'm sure. I know I did. All right, so the next thing is, never heard of it, but it is a rose water facial mist, and that is what it is. It's a little, oh God. I don't know. It smells okay. Hydrating toner. I don't know. We'll see. I don't know if it's supposed to help keep your makeup on, like if it's a setter, or mist your face after cleansing to rehydrate and refreshen skin. So no, it's just a hydrator. But that's okay. I'll use it. All right. So the next item is Olay Regenerist Whip. Now this stuff's pretty expensive in the store. I don't know if you can see it. But it is good. It works nice. I will probably end up giving this to my mom because I have so many creams. But it's doesn't smell like anything. You get a pretty decent amount. Like, it's filled up. 0.5 ounces, 14 grams. It's a cute little bottle. I'm sure most people have tried Olay products. So this is nice. And it is a whip product, which I think is their new stuff. Anyway, we have 3 more things to show. And these two are kind of the same, so I'm just going to show these together. Alright, so these are micellar waters. And I have gotten plenty of these, and I'm not a big fan of these. I am going to try to empty one of these into a Neutrogena, kind of like these things, but it's an eye one, and it's in a little container. I bought some pads to, face pads. So I'm going to try to dump one of these in there with some of those pads and see if it works. I don't know. I'll let you know. But these two are, one's waterproof and one is just all-in-one. So, oh, my light just went out. I don't know what's going on. All right. Sorry, guys. All right, so my last one in this is Jergens Wet Skin Moisturizer. Now, I did get this in, not this brand. I got a different brand in my Walmart box, I believe. I tried it. I didn't really like it, but this is Jergens, so we'll give this a shot. I always moisturize as soon as I get out of the shower, and of course it's Neutrogena because that's what I like to use. I even use their, put a plug in on this one. I use the hydrating water, gel, or hydrating boost gel cream, extra dry skin. I use this every night. I love this stuff, and I use it sometimes in the day. So I'll definitely give it a shot. This has a picture of a coconut, so let's see if it smells like coconut. Oh yeah. Kind of, really, I just spilled it everywhere. Kind of smells like suntan lotion. But that's a decent size, so we'll give it a shot. And anyway, I just wanted to make a quick video of that and let you guys know that those are out there. And they are pretty awesome products. You can check out the rest of them. And they're all 10 bucks. Well, $9.88, I believe. So if you wanted to go and check it out, I'm sure it's on the website. Other than that, I think that's it. So, have a fantastic day, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.